Okay guys, we got these Bayliss greenhouse MK7 cylinder kits. We are going to be changing out in our greenhouse. We'll get started here. So here's inside the greenhouse. There's the number and stuff of the Bayliss. We got 3 of them in here. And you can see that, I believe it's mineral wax. It's starting to leak out, so they don't open up on their own anymore. We're going to change them out. First thing we're going to do is get that clip knocked off there. I have to lay the phone down. So just try to get under there with the flathead screwdriver. Just drive that pin out. Plastic bushings in there, or spacers I should say, washers. There we go. And once we get that out of there, we'll unscrew this adjustable piece a little bit and pull it up the top. And you can see that one probably got all the wax, oil, whatever you want to call it, leaked out. On with the new though. See the difference there? Gotta use 2 hands for that. And then put your washer on here. Same way, 2 hands. Okay, got that on there. So I'm setting these so they're just right at the bottom. We're at 50 degrees. I believe this one opens up at 70. Okay, so I got these adjusted. So they're just snug here, ready to go open. We'll see how that works. I'll try to heat it up in here and see if I can get it hot enough to raise them open. With the propane, it's a little 30 degrees out right now. Okay guys, they are opening up. They are working. Like I said, we just got the heat on. Turn the vents up so it really gets hot quick. And it didn't take very long and they are cracking open like they're supposed to. Thanks for watching. I'll put the link in the description below.